you have dyslexia, here's proof that you are just as intelligent or more intelligent than anybody else. Though you may struggle slightly with reading and spelling, you were still able to figure out school. And even though you might have had to study longer or harder than your peers, you still got good grades. And if you didn't, you excelled in other areas, far beyond those without dyslexia. If you encounter an unknown word and are not quite sure what it says, you figure it out. You use all the context clues in your intellect and your logic to figure out what that word is. You've learned study skills. You can focus. You work hard. Now you may be thinking, yeah, I've worked hard and I've studied so much, so why is reading and spelling not coming any easier to me? That's because if you have dyslexia, your brain processes language differently, and you need to be taught in a way that makes sense to your brain. You need to know the why of words, not just be told to memorize or guess at them. As soon as somebody explains why a word is spelled the way it is, then you can get it just as well as anybody else. So it's not your fault that language came a little difficult to you. It's that you weren't instructed properly. So, applause to you.